Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet, and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Okay, I'm a little bit behind. Let me just do sound test. Okay, I'm a little bit behind. Sounds good. You're going to hear a little bit of an echo there for a second. Make one more change. Going to change the music I've been playing. Let me just get into the properties of the music. Browse. Music. Let's go to the first one. I like the first one, the lo-fi. Where is it? Where is it? 29 song mix. Open. Okay, and get it going. And that's it. Okay, let's get to the charts. Thank you for your patience. I start always with the 15-minute chart. That's how I start my day. You should know that by now. I look to see what has happened in relation to the Asian session. We've traded below the Asian session. We've swept the Asian session lows, but we haven't swept the Asian session highs. Continued lower for the London session, and we're trading near the lows of the London session, I would say. Okay, so that's bearish for me. We're obviously below previous day's high, and the black dotted line is previous day's close. We're below that as well, and we're below VWAP. So right now, I have a bearish bias. Let's just take a look at the 30-minute levels. You know what's missing? Midnight open. Let's get that on a chart. True open. Horizontal line. What is that? F6? I'm not sure. I don't remember. Horizontal line. Yeah, it was F6. Okay, so there we go. Should be solid blue. Properties. I should save defaults. Give me a second again. What color do I like? I like steel blue looks like gray. Let's go with royal blue. Solid. Oops. Solid. 3. Template. Next time I don't have to do this. We will just call it solid blue. Save. Okay, there we go. The midnight open. The way I had it before. Gotta change it. I guess I had it darker. Let's make it blue. And 4. Template. Save. Solid blue. Save. Yes. Okay. That's how I had it before. That's how I know it to be. So if that's the case, I need to be the same way. Let me open up the chat. Docs, chat. Only futures trading. Good morning. We are barely moving this morning. Yeah, I haven't gotten to looking at that so far. I just saw that on the 15 and the 5-minute. We're bearish. Not going to go over it again. And take a look on the 1 minute. What's the ATR average? I don't know, 7 point range average just before the market opened. I'm good with that. I got to open up my accounts, but I completely destroyed myself yesterday. Very unhappy with my trading yesterday, so I'm trading very cautiously today. And you know what I'm going to do? I don't even know what I'm telling you guys, but I'm going to use you guys as an accountability partner. I'm going to be announcing what I'm doing, how I'm feeling, if it's an impulse trade or a true trade, and I'm going to be much more selective today. Oh, and trading smaller size. It is what it is. We're going to start off with the opening drive. And that's about it. Now we wait for the markets to open. Duplicate in new window. Oh, I just saw a little bump. Was that the 928 bump? No, there was a 925 bump. You know, maybe they have an imbalance report at 925. I'm not sure. I know there's an imbalance report at 928. Thanks for reminding me. Oh, yeah, it's true, eh? I forgot. Gotta go check what. Windows is done with my microphone. 66. We'll keep it at that. So, mild bearish bias, but that doesn't mean anything. Anything can happen in the markets. We can take off in the first couple of minutes, and we can even sweep the London session lows, highs. That is a possibility, but there is a lot above us. There is the previous day's close, there's VWAP, there's the true open, and then there's the London highs. That's 4 levels to get through. A lot of resistance, all between what, 225 and 280. So within a 55-point range. But we'll watch it, we'll see what it gives us. Well, first trade is most likely going to be the opening drive. I've done my analysis. I'm mostly bearish. So let's set up the opening drive and watch it. Two minutes. That little burst you're seeing right there is the what? Forgot. Imbalance report. Comes out at 928. Got to be careful for that. So there's a buy side imbalance right now that we can see. the strategy. I will be taking one trade. If I lose, I'm switching accounts. I will let you know. Again, the YouTube channel is now going to be my accountability partner, which means I'll be announcing if I'm going to be taking an impulsive trade, and hopefully that'll stop me.
I don't get it. They told me they don't do it anymore, but they called me today. To give me an appointment. Not even an appointment with the radiologist, an appointment.
Wow, my throat's bothering me a lot today. Okay, I think I'm organized. For a slow and relaxing day, it's 9:30. Opening drive is ready to trade. Yeah, at 10 o'clock.
I'm looking.
Oof, throat's bothering me.
No, today, what are we today? Yeah, today's at 2, it's FOMC minutes.
Yeah, it's FOMC day, eh? The last couple times it was FOMC day, it was a lot of chip chopper. Just before the news. So you know what? I'm even going to lower my size further. I'm going to do 1, 2s, and 4s. Opening drive hasn't entered yet. And you know what? One lots are terrible, and I'll tell you why one lots. I can't take partials on one lots. Okay, Alex got a better price than me. I'm in, but I'm not doing one lot, so I'm doing 2 lots because I want to be able to take a partial. I'm fighting the urge to add to this position. But I will add if I get 7 points higher, which is 97. 97 I will add. Because that is a good mathematical add. But not before that. There we go, that's nice. Take a little piece off to reduce risk. Didn't really catch much off of it because it was quick, but I want to just take a piece off on my first one. I want to get my first win under the belt. Okay, let's celebrate with a dose of got a cough syrup. We're right at London lows. We just swept the London lows, both in ES and in Q, so I really don't want opening drive. Thank God opening drive didn't enter here. Let's at least get lower if opening drive is going to enter. We need to close below 172 now. That was a winning trade, which means I can take a trade in the same account. Hopefully that'll help me with my throat. Yep, one lot is too small. I think what I'll do is I think David's making breakfast. I smell it. He's cooking. Did he go in the room there for the LAN? Well, do you see him? Guess I had this on for a while. Listen to music.
Working.
Ah, I was working today.
Funny, I don't smell my fart when I'm over here. When I do this, came from the back.
Yeah, he didn't say that. He's just joking. Okay, let's see what we got going over here. That wasn't a close below. Surprising, but thank God it wasn't a close below. That really did look like it was a close below. Let's open it up. If we didn't go short, then it's not a close below. Well, looks like we're coming up to on NQ previous day's close, which is at 225, and we can get a potential long entry here. We got, oh, there we go. There's the long. Tried to get in for a 5 lot on my 150k PA account for the opening drive. Let's see if I can get it. Whereas opening drive is long at 22,220. Watching it. Well, I'd be surprised if we don't sweep, or at least tap into the previous day's close at 225. Let's just take a quick look what the 15-minute looks like. Yeah, I mean that it's cold in the basement. Well, we had a little bit of a hairy opening with the opening drive yesterday. And it worked out, so let's see what happens today. Counter-Strike was thinking about a trade there on the long side, but it reversed. Yeah, I'm surprised we didn't tap into the previous day's close, but the day is still young. Uh-oh. I forgot I have a PDLL on my 150K account. I'm oversized for that PDLL. Oh well. I'm going to trade the opening drive. There we go. 665. Okay. And this will probably be the bottom. Let's go back to this account for a 2-lot. I'm already raging. How these things happen. Okay, still waiting for my next trade. On the Renko system, which is the only thing I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. Hopefully we'll catch a nice trade to the downside here. Yeah. I don't want to wish against it, but it's true. I'm going to start off with a 1-lot, get in as best I can, and then I'll try to improve my price with my second piece. It's close to entry. We'd have to sweep the London lows again. Okay, so I'm short at 82.50 and the system is short at 83. I will add a small piece at 90. Counter-Strike just went short. That's encouraging. Counter-Strike has a high win rate. Counter-Strike's take profit is at, looks like 71. 171. Counter-Strike is trading on my Bulenox master account. The stops come down a little bit for Counter-Strike, so that's good. Came down some more. I added a one lot because I like where price is. Let's see the sellers come back in, push it lower. Because nobody has confidence in this market right now, especially with FOMC coming up.
Order canceled.
Okay, Counter-Strike starting its day with a loser. And Trade the Open is still hanging on. Okay, getting ready to potentially short if price gets down to 90, 80, 76 it is. Right around the London lows. And ES is bouncing above the London lows. I didn't look to see who's stronger or weaker today, but they do look relatively the same right now. ES is showing a little bit of relative strength. $76.81. Let's get back down to 76 to start with. This is a loser. I switch accounts. So close to getting stopped out, but the sellers can come back in. They tried before. Let's bring it down to 76. Come on, sell, sell. Nobody wants to buy. Keeps playing with me. But the longer it doesn't go up, the better it is. Holding here at the 84 level. Let's go see 80. Now let's get down to 76. And let's get what do we want to get? Let's get the opening drive to get out at a loss, so that'll help me with my trades.
Yes, hello? Alright. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so opening drive had a bad day today. That's good. I get to show, I mean, that's not good, but I'll get to post a video for a bad day. So people don't yell that you're only showing the winners. I get to show a loser today. And the unfortunate accident with my PDLL on my PA balanced out, so I'm happy with that. Had everything been normal with no PDLL, I would have lost 550, so only $80 worse than what the loss would have been, so that's good. I'm less angrier now, and I'm cold. Did you check the heat when you came down?
Oh.
Wow.
Well, our house is covered in snow everywhere, so it's like we're in an igloo. Warming up the inside. So
Our igloo is cold. We need a we need a fireplace.
Now it's pretty bad.
Well, I'll put up the 3-chart view here. Looks like on NQ we're trading right at the London lows, but ES is above. ES actually had a close below. It pulled back in, so did NQ a little later on though. Well, the cough syrup helped my throat a little bit, looks like. Al, you might want to get your fingers on the mouse. Soon time to go refresh my coffee. You know what? I should keep the coffee pot downstairs. I don't know why I don't. That way you can go get me coffees.
What happens is that trade suddenly decides.
Okay, a little bit of a recap. Counter-Strike, one winner, one loser. Opening drive, loser. And the Renko system had no real winners yet. 2 break evens, 1 small loser. But I'm up 53-52, and Alex is up too, so that's good. We're doing better than we should be. And we have another entry. I didn't have time to look if it's sealed, if it actually got in, but I got in. I'm short at 78. System is short at 76, 2 points better.
I got 2 points worse.
I go in half-half. I go in for the first piece, the 1 lot, right away, and then if it goes better, I get in. So at least if there's no trade, you know, no getting a better price, at least I got a piece. Now I'd like to see us dump for 10 to 20 points fast. Let's go break US session lows. If it's a loser, I move on. Switch accounts. No, I forgot to add. I had an opportunity there. It was at 76 at 83. Silly me. I could have had a much better price. Got caught sleeping at the switch. Not gonna do any more adding though. That was my opportunity. I missed it. It goes back. It's probably not the best sign if it goes back and gives me another opportunity to add, so we'll just let it go. Come on, let's get a fast dump. Aren't we deserving of a 40-point winner? It's been a long time. Can I get 10 points? 79, 69. Then we get 15 points, 64.
Cancel.
Order canceled. I don't know what that is. I think I don't know. Counter-Strike. That was Counter-Strike. What it did is I'm not sure. But I think it was supposed to be short 3. Uh-oh.
Potential news at 10 a.m.
Order canceled.
I don't want to get caught by surprise. I don't want any surprises. It's a nice dump here, but I'm closing everything until further notice. All strategies that take trades are terminated. And you know what? I think now is the perfect time to go get a coffee. So I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I don't know how long that was, but Missed the trade, but Alex got in. Wow, topstep really helped, eh?
I was hoping for a big one, but it looks like it's a lot of back and forth.
Yeah, well, what we saw last time with FOMC Day. Nobody wants to make a commitment. The money doesn't want to make a commitment. David's cooking breakfast again. I smell the bacon. Nice. It's too bad I couldn't be in on that trade. And with my channel being my accountability partner, I will tell you that I am getting FOMO and I want to enter it now, but I won't. I'm going to sit on my hands. Wait for the next setup. Meantime, take stock of what's happening. Let's go to the 15-minute. Like I said, it was a bearish bias day. We were near London on the open. We were near London lows, under the close, under the VWAP, under the midnight open. We never swept the Asian session highs. Now, what do we have here for a target is the previous day's low at 22,100. And yesterday's initial balance low at 22,129. That could be something also. This is a good chart to keep up and have a good, excuse me, bird's eye view. Oh, look at that, at 21,000. We also have this zone over here, so yeah, 22,100. There's definitely support there. Yeah, there's a lot of support at 22,100. You got a definite reason to stall price, and I'm not taking shorts into it. Like if I get a short signal at 22,105, I'm not taking it.
I feel like we should go lower.
Okay, and this should be gone. Let's enter in, get counter-strike going again. Unfortunately, on my little closure there, I missed the counter-strike winning trade, but wood chip, good morning. Woke up late. It's not late for you. It's 7 in the morning. Unless you exercise in the morning. No reason to wake up earlier. Now, obviously for you, it's the markets at 6:30. Unfortunately. That's one of the bad things about living where you are. But it's a small price to pay for good weather year-round. I'm freezing. I'm in a sweater here and I'm shivering.
I want to keep it.
Keep it. It's a one lot. That minus 675 that you see there with chip is, I took a 10 lot on the opening drive. I'm starting to trade the opening drive. That's a 150K account. That account is just going to trade opening drive. And we'll see how it does. Opening drive on average brings in 120 points a week. That would be 2,500 a week on that account. I'll be happy with that if it continues with what it's been doing. Send some of your sunshine and heat my way, because it's damn cold where we are. We're having not only record snow. I don't remember if I asked you if you saw the plane that flipped over upside down landing in Toronto. Ah, what chip? It's true. I forgot. I wanted to talk to you about something. I just got in for a one lot.
Target filled.
Target's filled. Thank you very much. That's counter-strike cleaning up. Let's get another 7 points. I'm trading on the 15-minute, but I'm taking a Renko trade. But you know what? I like the 15-minute chart because it gives me a really good overhead view of what's happening in the market. I think I'll take it. We're coming up to 22,100. I was saying I'm in a short. Trailing stop at 22,100 is a major wall to crack. Doesn't mean we can't go through it like a hot knife through butter, but most likely we're not going to do that. What's that third number? It's an 8. That 8 was a tough nut to crack, I think, no?
7 was tough. I was stuck at negative. I was stuck at the missing 400, 350, 400, 450, 500.
Oh, yeah.
I was stuck around that area for 2 weeks.
Wood chip. Yeah, remind me later. Maybe just for a quick second, you'll connect into the audio channel, not for the stream. Maybe even after I close up the stream. I wanted to just talk to you about something quick. Okay, we might be getting ready to go down now for another small leg. Let me see the 5-minute charts. Is the 5-minute chart? Yeah, the 5-minute chart gives me a good look also. Okay, so I'm still on my first account trading the Renko system. I haven't really had a loser yet. What I mean by a loser, a full loss. I don't even think there was one, to be honest with you. But as soon as I get one, I switch accounts and I'll rotate all my accounts. And for today, everyone will just be, each account will be allowed one loser. And then I rotate. I have 8 PAs, 7 actually. I'm not using that one for that last one, the minus 65. That's going to be for the opening drive. Okay. Okay, regarding the login. Yeah, let me open it up. You disconnected?
No, I have to take a little trade on my Bulenox. It's been, I don't know how many days now.
Hmm. Okay, so I'm in the room. If you show up, I will hear you. I'm waiting for a short at 22,127. That gives me 27 points to the 100 level, so it's worth taking. Since my channel is now my accountability partner, I'm itching to enter early, but I'm not going to. I'm just telling on myself. Normally I would have entered the short early here at 22,134, which always was a mistake. Look at that. That would have been 10 points out of it. Excuse me. Has the bottom been put in here at 10 o'clock, or is this just a 10 o'clock reversal? I would say it's the 10 o'clock reversal. Wow, I'm so cold I feel feverish. How crazy is that? Well, it's nice to see that Counter-Strike brought in money for me. Opening drive is not able to trade anymore, but the signal that I use, just to show you, we did get now a close above the price channel, so that could be signifying a beginning of a new little uptrend for a bit. Just wanted to point that out. But with that being said, rank a system is short, and that's what I got to be following. I'm just going to take the next trade with just the one lot. Because I don't trust where we are actually right now. I have mixed signals on my charts. Opening drive breakout strategy signals is long. Renko break of the midline is short. Renko trend trader is short. Yeah, most things are short actually. Even the 15-second, the bias. 15-second, let me put it up for you even though I'm not really watching it. Uh, 15-second has a bearish bias. That That's what you can tell by the background color, but we're above the band, so
I was anticipating David's thing.
yeah, anticipation, not good. Getting in early, not good.
Well, I need to take a trade, so.
No, I'm just saying for me, you know.
Wow. It hovered and
No, really?
I'm telling you, it looked like a bar for like a 3-second bar.
I got caught on those many times.
In my head, it's just saying, that's not red, that's not red.
Mm. Oh, I'm going to get a better position on my mouse. I'm in at 45. The system is in at 41. Only a one lot, like I said. Mostly I'm punished sitting on the sidelines for yesterday's horrific day. And secondly, I want to see how this does to the accounts. That's good. That's not bad. Over 107. That's good. What are we looking at? We're looking at the 15-second chart. No, we're not going to look at the 15-second chart. Although the 15-second chart you can see now is fully bearish because we've gone under the bands by a full candle. So that's good. Let us get back to looking at least the 5-minute chart. And we have a little bit of a view of the Asian session there in the top right corner. All we're doing is trading lower, so staying short. I'm short at 42. I'm covering at 48 approximately. I'll take that. Keep chipping away. Keep adding a little bit.
What's the range on the bars?
Understand?
What's the average range?
11 right now. 12 point average range on the 1-minute candles. Look at the volume. The volume is decent, regular, 496,000. Wow. Alex is still sitting on a short. Counter-strike went short. I didn't even notice. This will be my last trade with Counter-strike if it's a winner. Come on, let's go down. I want Counter-strike to be a winner. Nah, it's moving strong.
Order canceled.
Order cancel on Counter-Strike. It did have to have another loser. Hmm. Hmm?
Garbage.
Over there all day. Okay. 48, 41, 48, 38, 34. I need to see it go down to 34. Let's get down to 34. Well, what do we got? We got that bounce. What did we come down to? How close did we get to the 22,100 level? 18 points away. That's not really close. I think there's still more room. I really think there's more room to run to the downside. Run. No, I don't want to run it up to 197. Still no full loser on the Renko system, so I'm still going to be taking it. I'm still thinking we're going to dip into the 100 level. Even sweep the previous day's low, which is at 22,100 also. That's impressive. Okay, that's the alarm telling me that the initial balance will be formed in. Yeah, I was just looking at when that high was. There was a high that formed at 22,124 right there. Right at this level and at this level over here. It was on the 13th or the 14th of February. We sit, we wait for our next trade. It's boring, but that's trading. It's crazy. Well, it's almost like I feel feverish, eh? I used my standalone mic yesterday. I didn't use my headphones. Not my headphones, my, yeah, headphones with the mic, but I like to sound better with this mic, even though I hate wearing the headphones. Oh, wow, look at that. What happened there? I don't know, but I'll take it. 10:31, there was news at 10:31.
There's no news.
Order canceled.
That was a painful move for Counter-Strike. Okay, well, let's see if we can push up now into 22,190.
I'm only doing one lot too.
Mm. What did we do? We whipped into the London session lows on that.
I'm nervous. I want to put a stop in.
Hmm?
So I'm nervous if that goes ballistic. I want to put a stop in.
Mm. Okay, let's see it go up to 76. $76 will make my day. Counter strike went long.
Come on, man. Normally when they have a big run like that, the second one should be
Yeah.
quick too.
What, 22,000,
But it sucks because we're before FOMC.
176. Yep.
They like to use liquidity. Aww.
That 15-minute candle is quite bearish. That's a pretty big wick on the 15-minute candle. Well, you almost got your run to 197. We went as high as 190, I think, right? On that. I'm long again. Counter strike is long.
Come on, man. Have one
Yeah,
big wake
let's
up.
go. One big candle up. Everyone wants it to go up. Let me roll up my sleeves for this one.
Come on, man. Come on. You can do it. You don't have to come back down.
You got at it even?
Yeah, I don't want to go again.
Mm.
Trying to get the runners.
First FBG. You know what? I didn't track the first fair value gap today. I'll check him out, see what's going on. I just want to see Counter-Strike take its profit. We got to get it to 22,183. We got close. First FEG is 197,200. Yeah, I see it. Actually, I see it as 210. Counter-Strike got close, but no profit yet. $22,183. Still waiting for it. Let's go. 776. That would be an exact new wrinkle bar also. That's exactly where I needed to go for my Counter-Strike to take profit. I'm optimistic. Just let the system. Big rip incoming. I hope it's a rip up.
Should be.
Well, a rip is up, a zip is down. Oh, Counter-Strike takes a profit.
I want to take it here for the jump up.
A zip is something you buy. A zip and a rip.
Can I be done for the day? What's the FOMC? I feel like it's gonna linger now.
I don't know what to tell you.
Can I close up? I don't want to leave that.
Huh?
Can I close up? You want it?
Leave it there. No? Or are you going to play?
I just want to open up my game checks.
Yes, it is. The 30% consists. It is per trade. I actually lowered my personal daily loss limit on all my accounts to 15%, approximately. But now that 25k account, when it's 450 initially. No, it's 450. Your unrealized loss, 30% times 1500. Your unrealized loss, and unrealized, it's not realized. You can't go down 700 and then end up closing it at minus 200 and say, hey, I didn't violate the rule. It's on unrealized. No, on any time during the day. So yeah, I mean, theoretically, yep, on a single trade, no. Single trade, double trade. But it would affect your account balance, so I'm not sure how to answer that. Not for a single trade, not for an account balance. Yep, nope, that's you violated the rule. At no point should your account go below, I mean, this is my understanding, I could be wrong, but my yeah, the 30% loss consistency rule. At no point during the day can your account, this is my understanding of it, at no point during the day can your account go below 30% of your trailing drawdown. So 30% is 450. Your account should never see minus 451 any which way. But yeah, but you know what, it's like I said, don't hold me to the fire on it. And it is possible it's open to interpretation. They may not be clear on it, number 2. And number 3, it is possible Pine Tree is wrong, as it is possible that I am wrong. That's why it's always good to check for yourself and clarify with support. It's like Bulenox, they had a rule you can't copy trade to other accounts at other firms. And you know how they wrote it? They wrote that you can only copy trade from master account to eval and from eval to master account, which is ridiculous. So you can't copy from one funded to another funded. And someone questioned them on it, said, no, that's fine, it's just from one firm to the other. Yeah, the other 30% rule is the consistency rule for payouts. That's the profit side, not the loss side. Again, I caveat it all with, as far as I know. I just got a contract for some new for the new funded accounts that I got there, so I'll read it. I wanted to do a summary. Actually, I was even going to post it on, create a video and post it on YouTube. That and the Bulenox rules was going to be one of my first videos. Maybe I'll try and work on that today. Even if it's an ugly video, I got to start putting out videos because I'm not getting any subscribers. I am officially the deadest channel on YouTube, which makes no sense. Actually, that's why I wanted to. Sorry about the cough. Talk to you in. Well, I don't know. I don't see how that's because they don't know who you are when or they wouldn't know who I am when I just chat. I'm not gonna say come to my room or anything like that. So I wouldn't appreciate it if people did that in my stream when I had a bunch of not subscribers but viewers in my room. No, I don't think that's the solution. I mean, I streamed in the dead hours. I've streamed in power hour. I've streamed at 6 o'clock, and it's the same thing. I got to get videos out there. It's videos that'll generate a little community. Just I put together a task list, and my God, is it large? So many things to do. I'm gonna have to find a simple format. And the other thing that's discouraging is CapCut's not working well on my computer. Yeah, and I went from, in that time, I went from 29 to 28. Not funny. Yeah, the networking with other traders, I'm kind of doing that. Or I just started. That's the thing there with the only futures trader or whatever. Yeah, I was in Methodical Man's chat stream a lot, not chat, and his stream a lot. He was actually the last person I was following every day before I started streaming. But he didn't know me then as Futures Floor. He knew me just under an alias from a Google alias, or my main Google account. But no, it's definitely useful to network on the other channels and stuff, because especially also once you get known. You have those relationships. So yeah, I mean, I agree with you. Yeah, I'll take your advice on that. I can do that. I can talk about the opening drive, especially when it has a good day. I can talk about coding. You know that I code indicators and strats. Maybe, like you said, they'll click on the names to see if anything's available or stuff. But I'm kind of surprised at the lack of, I don't know what word to use, effectiveness of, well, I won't say online marketing, but I started a TikTok channel about 3-4 weeks ago, whatever, I don't remember how long ago, don't hold my feet to the fire on how long ago it was. And I'm up to 580, I think, 570 followers. And there's, in my bio, all I wrote is, you know, if you have any questions about what I show. And I show mostly the opening drive play. Just once or twice I mentioned the automated trading strategy face-off that I run at overnight, which got obliterated last night, by the way. Both of them were big losers, but that's okay. In line with its gains. I mean, Futures Floor had a couple, not Futures Floor, Dexy had a couple of $6,000 nights last night. I ended the stream, it was minus 15,000, but it had a position. I swear to God, go look. It was long, a bunch of contracts because Dexy adds. And then the 7 o'clock candle came in. I think I closed it 40 seconds before that candle. Anyways, it actually closed out the trades on its own. I didn't even get a chance to close out the trades, and it ended down 7,000. Do you have in the corner of your TikTok videos? A lot of my TikTok videos have, yeah, the YouTube address, the Futures Floor logo. I'm starting to put it less now because it doesn't seem to be doing much, but I still like it. They're quick to put on. I'm trying to figure out again also how to do quick TikTok videos instead of spending a lot of time, an hour compiling screenshots of all the results of, let's say, the opening drive. I focused a little bit on psychology, a little bit on trading tips, and mostly on the opening drive. But even the overnight, when I ran the thing for, I think I ran it for 8 hours last night. One person came in the room. Because no matter what you type in, I just don't show up. If you click on live, I don't show up. If you do a search, I don't show up. I think it's like I'm shadow banned on YouTube. And I'm thinking it's also because I don't have any videos out there, so. I mean, even my shorts. I posted a short the other day. 2 shorts. Almost as tests. Prop Junkies wasn't like that. Prop Junkies was getting hits. I would post something the next day, would have 100 hits or something. Okay, not huge, but now it's like I'm lucky if I get 2. They just don't show it to anybody. I'm in a short. My God, seriously? Posted a short. I did the scheduling. They say let YouTube schedule it. Man, 9 hits on my short. That's it. YouTube made a decision that no one's interested in my short after 9 views, and 2 of those views I think are mine, so that's 7 views. And I'm looking average percentage viewed, 176, which means people watched it like, you know, almost twice. Anyways, it is what it is. I gotta create videos. There's no way around it.
Have you been playing a lot of hackers?
Yeah, they put me on the floor. I'm beyond the floor. I'm in the basement. I don't know. I'm just watching your Counter-Strike trade. Went short. I'm kind of sleepy, dreamy here already. Stop is close. It's at 165, and I'm short at 57. So close to being stopped out. What time is it? It's 11. Yeah, I'm going to close Counter-Strike after that. Didn't have a good day, Counter-Strike, but didn't have a bad day.
You know how long we're waiting? Alright, you could start. I'm just gonna wash my hands.
Okay, that's it for Counter-Strike for today. It is what it is. What does the market want? Let's look at the 15-minute chart and see. Well, we haven't touched the previous day's low, and we haven't swept any side of the initial balance. So I would be inclined to take shorts because we're under VWAP, we're under previous day's close. We were green, we went green to red. At this point, I wouldn't trust the I wouldn't trust the rallies. I'm long. Yeah, well, Renko is long. I think you can see it there on the bottom right. Ah, that's so funny. I can't do this thing anymore. Let me move that out of the way for now. But anyways, yeah, on the bottom right. There are my scenes. The 1 minute's closed above the price channel on the opening drive chart. We're at VWAP. Let's see what price does at VWAP.
I'll get our top left.
Can we get 2 consecutive closes on the 1 minute chart above VWAP? Oh, forget it. Damn that cough. Cough syrup helped for a bit, but then stopped. Yeah, I could potentially get a long entry, but it would be so close to VWAP that I'm not going to take it. I'll just watch. Wow, I would have been really happy with the day's performance today if not for opening drive hurting me. Mm-hmm. I need smelling salts. I'm getting sleepy. Maybe that's why I always overtrade. Keep me awake. Can I do like that guy in the picture you sent me? Put my head down on the table and nod off for a bit?
They're spawning Lambo.
Well, I just went long, small size. My stop will be at 179, just the one lot, and it's in my Bulenox account. Actually, it's not even in my Bulenox funded account. It's in another account that's at 52,879, so close to passing. Why you have big greens on sim account? Well, big green and big red. The big red is this here. Opening drive. I'm running it on, it's an automated strategy, and I run it on, it only takes one trade in the mornings, and I run it on Sim 102.
Well, the guy pre-made it.
I did take it in my PA account, but I trade it manually, so my PA account also has a loss. It was the same trade for about half size. Not exactly accurate, but that is the case. And the Sim one is another trade that I just did manually. It's just playing, not back testing, forward testing the strat. But I'm ready to go to trade this one on my accounts. Opening drive. And the other one was this here. This one I'm going to back test. I'm coding it now. I just started. I'm marking off the areas where I'm looking for a trade. But basically, when you get a when you get a red background and then a close above the midline of the price channel, you would go short. So that one worked nicely. When you get a blue background, then you're looking for a close below the midline of the price channel to go long. So that would have been here. Only one trade. You wouldn't take this one. You don't take a second and a third. First trade only. So you would have went long here, caught a nice move up. And now on the short, no, it's not short. That's why I have this gold line here. It's another marker also. You're not looking to short this one to close above because we didn't get a red background or a chocolate background line, meaning we didn't close below the price channel. We only wicked below it. So we're still in kind of long mode. Anyways, that's it. That's my story. Forward testing strategies. I'm starting to code this one. I'm calling this one 50-50 because you're going long or short under the 50% line. I like coding. It's fun. And I think the 50-50, if I finish coding it today, I'm going to run it in my overnight strategy, automated strategy face-off. I'm going to face it off against Counter-Strike. 5 accounts red, 13. Wow. Well, I'm doing that too. I'm doing the same rotation as you. Trading one account at a time, but the second PA that's green 116 hasn't had a full loss yet, so nice run over VWAP. Since it hasn't had a full loss, I haven't switched PAs, and it's 11:30, or no, sorry, thought that one was a 3. It's 11:11, so I'm done. Not a good day. Oh, well, yesterday was my disastrous day, so I'm kind of in the penalty box today. I am using the channel as my accountability partner. I'm announcing what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. We're coming up to the previous day's close. You can see that on the 1 minute chart. It's the black dash line. Sorry about that. This mouse is click happy. Yeah, I think that's how I've done it a few times, and it worked. Lass, am I pronouncing it right? Is that it, Lass? I had a couple of questions for you. Can I don't want to take too much of your time, but can you just give me like 5 minutes of your time, like we did last time in the audio room? Not today, another day. I don't want to. Today's not. I don't want to just put you on the spot, but can I bother you for 5 minutes? What tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. Maybe on Thursday or on Friday after you're done trading. I think I missed a long trade. I know I did. Yeah. Okay. So let me open up the audio room. I think it is opened. Haven't heard that all day. I'll send you a link. I'm not sure if I changed the code. Yeah, crazy, eh? You were talking about that 11:10. Yeah, I think the old link will still work, but I'm not sure. So I'll send you the current link. I'll tell you when it's sent. Okay, I sent it. I think, let me check my sent folder. Yeah, okay. Two-day open, London high, Asia high, all sitting fairly close together. Yeah, they are. I saw that. What chip I'm going to close up the stream because I want to just talk to Only Futures Trading for a few minutes about video creation and stuff. I have too many questions. I'm kind of overwhelmed and I need a couple of quick answers because he's got experience. So I'm going to close up the video. And I'll look for you maybe to join up in the audio tomorrow, what chip. Okay, thanks for showing up, everybody. Click subscribe and click like if anybody's in the channel, and I'll be closing up. See you tomorrow.